Welcome to watch today's Fresham. Since work from home becomes a regular, making your home office is a must. Here are the ideas. 1. Small living room becomes an office. Combine contemporary woodwork, retro inspirations, and designer pieces. 2. Dialogue of styles and eras. Bringing together eras, materials, geometries, and styles to create a unique charm. 3. The profusion of storage. Integrate clever and stylish storage into the office area. The multiplicity of storage spaces does not seem to hinder the design of the apartment in any way. 4. Separate spaces with a module. The module seems to float above, like a cloud with its rounded corners. 5. Custom-made furniture. This is the case here for the wardrobe with desk area, as well as the bed. 6. A lived wall made of plywood. The large joinery piece of furniture or lived wall. The plywood guarantees the homogeneity of the structure and gives the impression of a cabin as much as a laboratory.